So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect PT Distinction to MailChimp or any other email automation service that has a Zapier integration. So really quick and simple to do. You need to set yourself up a Zapier account. And for this to work, you only need the free Zapier account. So first thing you want to do, log in and head over to Make a Zap. Once you get into here, you want to go and type in the search box PT Distinction, or just select it from your apps at the bottom. After you've done that, you want to select a trigger by hitting the drop-down menu here, and you'll see you have client added to group, or pre-made package signed up. You can select any option that you wish, though I'm going to go for the client added. So this means as soon as any client signs up to PT Distinction via a form, or you add one in to PT Distinction manually, they'll get added into the email list. If you have particular email lists for certain pre-made packages, you could also select this option down here if you wish. But I'm going to go for this one now. Once you've done that, hit continue. You'll then be asked to select your PT Distinction account. So I'm going to hit my drop-down menu and select the account I've got connected. If you haven't got an account connected, it will actually prompt you to do this and connect the account up. So just follow the on-screen instructions. Next thing, hit continue. It's going to find your data and it's going to ask you to test. I would advise that you do test to make sure it works okay, make sure everything's connected properly. But for this example, I'm going to skip the test. Once you've set up your trigger up here, you now need to go and set up an action. So the action we're going to do here is a connect to MailChimp. Now, of course, if you've got another email provider that you want to use, such as AdWeber or ActiveCampaign, you can find those in here as well just by searching up at the top in the search bar. But for now, I'm just going to select MailChimp. And then we're going to go and select an event. So down here, you'll see an event comes up and we've got add update subscriber, create custom event or send campaign, create campaign, and lots of other different actions as you can see down here. All we want to do now is select a add or update subscriber. So this means that as soon as somebody has connected, they're going to subscribe to your email list. Of course, if you've got particular campaigns you wish to send them to, you can also select that option. But for simplicity, we're going to go for this one here, which is add an update subscriber. Once you've done that, hit continue. And again, it's going to ask you to pick an account. So make sure you've got your account connected. Hit the drop-down menu, and I'm going to select this account here, and then hit continue. Once you've done that, you need to go and customize your subscriber settings or your subscriber action. So to do that, the first thing I do is select the audience, hit the drop-down menu. It will pull then the different choices from your MailChimp account. So I'm just going to go for the PT Ninja 101. Then we need your subscriber email. So you might be thinking, why am I going to put an email address in here? It's going to be different every single time. Well, if you click this little icon button at the side, you'll see here we have a number of different options under this little one and this little PTD logo. So what this basically means is in the previous trigger, we put inside there that we want to add a client from PT Distinction. So when PT Distinction registers that a client has been added, it pulls certain information together, which is email, first name, last name, client ID, and whatever these missing choices are down at the bottom. We want to make sure that the email that the client gives when signing up is added into the email list here. So all we do is select this option, which is email. And that now tells Zapier to pull the email address that's been added into the form in PT Distinction when a client signs up and pull it over to MailChimp and add it in here. This is subscriber email. Now, depending if you're using GDPR and all that kind of stuff down here, you can select to have double opt-in or not. These are all the settings that you would have set up inside your MailChimp. So just adjust these to suit whatever it is you're doing inside your MailChimp account. You can also select things like update existing. So let's say, for example, a client has been added in, they're already in your list. If you want to update stuff, you can have that selected here as well. Again, these should all match whatever's inside your MailChimp account. Rest of the stuff down here, though, is optional, so we're just going to skip past that. Now hit continue. Once you've done that, it'll ask you to do a test to make sure it all works properly. So they'll have a sample email address will also get added into your MailChimp account. You can test this. Again, I would recommend that you do test it. But for this example, I'm just going to go and skip test. Once you've done that, your Zap is ready, and all you need to do is turn it on. Once it's turned on, it'll be running. So from this moment onwards, as soon as somebody signs up to your PT Distinction, the email address will be taken over to your mail list in MailChimp or whatever other software you decide to use, and it will automatically be added to your list and your emails can then go out. Anyway, hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next video.